6, 7, 8.
I came here to play and I'm playing to win, baby. I won't settle for less than a yes, no, maybes. All those pretty little fitting into boxes. That ain't me, but that don't mean that I'm a lost cause. I'm just getting started. Oh baby, even when the ground is shaking, my heart's close to breaking. I'm not going home. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give my fight on. I'll take the hits and stay strong. I'm not going home. Even if it's dark, even if it's cold, even if I spend my nights alone, I still got a spark stirring in my soul. I'ma keep it lit, yeah, I ain't going home. Restart. I brush off the dust, I'm back in the saddle, baby. I might fall down, but I get myself up again and again and again. Oh, all those pretty little doing with the toes. Is it me or is it getting real old? 'Cause I'm doing my own thing. Yeah, oh, baby. Even when the ground is shaking, my heart's close to breaking. I'm not going home. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give my fight on. I'll take the hits and stay strong. I'm not going home. Even if it's dark, even if it's cold, even if I spend my nights alone, I still got a spark stirring in my soul. I'ma keep it lit, yeah, I ain't going home. I'm not going home. I'm not going home. Baby, even when I'm afraid, I'm gonna find my way. I'm not going, baby. Even when the ground is shaking, my heart's close to breaking. I'm not going home. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give my fight on. I'll take the hits and stay strong. I'm not going home. Yeah, even if it's dark, even if it's cold, even if I spend my nights alone, I still got a spark stirring in my soul. I'ma keep it lit, yeah, I ain't going home. I'm gonna keep on fighting. I'ma keep it lit, yeah, I ain't going home.
This dance is Stay Strong, choreographed by Alison Biggs and Peter Matonic. It's a 32 count, 4 wall line dance. Section 1 starting with the right foot, side together forward, side together back, side together side, coaster step. Section 2, heel and toe, turn a quarter right and toe, turn a quarter right and heel and kick, ball, change. Section 3, step forward and right, make 2 paddle turns turning a quarter to the right, point left to side, turn a quarter, point left to side, turn a quarter, shuffle forward, left, right, left. Step forward on right, pivot a quarter left, cross, step left to side. Last section. Behind, side, cross, side rock, recurve across, side chassé, behind, side, cross. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. In this dance there is a restart with a step change on wall 3. You dance the first 19 counts, so let me show you wall 3 facing 6 to start. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3. This is 19 counts, and for count 20, step on the left and then restart with the box. And that's the whole dance.